Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low.
This week's video is just another real quick tidy up around the house. Just doing the basics because I'm not really feeling very well on this particular day. I have come down with pink eye and I can't wear my contacts and it's just been a rough week. So I just want to get the basics done and get it over with. So I'm just doing some much needed stuff around the house, like a little bit of vacuuming and mopping, cleaning up the kitchen, and of course making my bed here. If you watched my video last week, you know that I lost one of these matching pillowcases to my bed. I still haven't found it, so I'll let you know if it ever turns up.
Stronger than I ever been. I won't get up again. Stronger than I ever been. I cold inside, tore my mind, stole my peace. I prayed for ease but feared that my days were over. That emptiness is hard to pass. To fill that gap, you need to open up. All your days are over, but you sent your light to be found now. It's like my engine's on.
I almost always keep the door to the guest bedroom closed, as well as the door to my granddaughter's bedroom, but I left her door open one day last week and caught the dog sleeping in her room, so I'm just going to wash this blanket, and her room is otherwise clean because she hasn't been here for a couple weeks.
And this is happening to me. I'm shouting over these emotions, love in the fast lane. I finally found my love. I finally found my love. Sometimes
I don't have a utility sink in my garage or laundry room, so before I fill up my mop bucket to do the floors, I need to empty my kitchen sink because that's where I fill the mop bucket. And of course, before I empty the sink, I have to put away all the clean dishes from the dishwasher, clean off the kitchen counter, etc., etc. It's like a domino chore.
find me. It's like my engines overflow, and I ain't fueled, it's time to go. Oh, we are in this rush, it's love in the fast lane. I feel I'm strong beyond belief, and this is happening to me. I'm shouting over this rush, it's love in the fast lane. I finally found my love. I finally found my love.
I'm sure you've heard everyone rave about how fantastic the air fryer is, so if you don't have one, I highly recommend one. I use mine mostly for heating leftovers, so if you've ever had McDonald's french fries that you put in the refrigerator that are absolutely disgusting and you don't ever want to eat them again because they're gross, put them in the air fryer for, I don't know, a minute or two. They are so good, sometimes even better than when you originally get them because they're not always hot. Also, chicken nuggets, Popeye's chicken, those are all excellent leftovers in the air fryer.
It's love in the fast lane. I feel I'm strong beyond belief, and this is happening to me. I'm shouting over these emotions, love in the fast lane. I finally found my love. I finally found my love. I finally found my love. Everything feels so abstract. Yeah, it's complicated. What you say, the way you act, Well, it makes me so confused. I don't know what to do anymore. Can't you just make up your mind? My heart drops when you play around.
It's funny sitting here watching this video back while I'm doing the editing and the voiceover. Using the light from the vacuum, I can see that there's something under my couch. So I'm gonna go see what it is and see if it's still there. Yep, it was still there. It was a pool noodle, in case you were wondering. I had the gate up blocking the couch, which you saw me remove just a little while ago, because I left the back door open again and let the dogs out without thinking after it rained, and they tracked mud all through the house, which is why I'm going to mop today also. And I found both of them sleeping on my couch that they're not allowed on, and not only were they sleeping on the part where the blanket was, but they were sleeping on the part that like I normally sit, so I had to vacuum up the mud, and it was all over the pillows, it was on the arm of the chair, the seat of the couch, it was everywhere. So I put up the gate while I was cleaning everything, and that's what you saw me remove at the beginning of this clip. I've had this mop for a while, and I don't know if it's defective or if it's just been used up, but you see how it just popped off there? That happens pretty much every single time I mop, and the handle is also duct tape, which I'm sure you probably can't see here, but it is because it doesn't go up and down anymore, or it was actually always going down, so I duct taped it so it didn't move, so it would be stationary. So I was doing research, and I know they have the ones that have the clean water bucket, but that doesn't really make sense to me. You're going to take the dirty mop that you just mopped the floor with and put it back in the clean water to wring it out. So really the only dirty water is the water that you're wringing out, but you're still putting the dirty mop back in the clean water. So I opted not to pay the extra money for that, and I just bought the same one because I really like this mop, and I don't have a problem mopping my floor with dirty water, I guess.
I played for you, I was crappy, but you sang along, and I thought you knew I could die to keep you near. We've got a fire in the tent, it's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you, that was brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. I don't need to go over old and useless words. What you said, what I said, that might have made it worse. We're here again at the same spot where we kissed the first time. I swear my pain's far away, long gone by now. We've got a fire in the tent, it's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you, that was brand new, still it's got nothing.
I know this is a lot of floor mopping for one video, so if you're still here, I really do appreciate it, and thank you very much. If you like this kind of content, please hit that subscribe button. Click like if you like this video, and I will see you next week.